I feel like I'm back in 2007 again. Because the last time we were here, we got flooding. Came up to about that crack on the driveway and the rain finally stopped. The water receded. I'll have to find that video and do something with it because it was interesting. Had to pull the trucks up right against the garage over here. I haven't heard any thunder though.
No. And they had stopped, they weren't letting planes leave Holly until 9. I heard one take off about 9:15. And I hadn't heard any more, so they must have stopped again.
Why did they stop them?
Oh, it looks even better over there.
Oh. And they were having 1 to 2 hour delays at Intercontinental.
Jeez.
That looks pretty gnarly.
In terms of actual observed rainfall accumulations from local airports, we've had 1.5 inches in the gauge so far today at Bush Airport, about 3/4 of an inch in Pearland, only 20 inches in Galveston. It's up north of Houston where we've had the higher Conroe, almost 5 inches of rain today. We've had about 10
if they come out at night,
in the
and
past
see if I can
3
get
days.
on.
Commonwealth Airport here picking up a little bit over 3. It's in this band.
Water's gone down out here at least.
Montgomery County, where we have seen the heaviest rainfall accumulations so far today, and those are the prime spots for all of the flooding.
Fun stuff.
Satellite radar north and western Harris County, west of I-45, north
Just
of I-10, centered
boom.
right corridor.
Wow, that's crazy.
What happened is that cold front coming down from Canada hit the coastal area where high moisture is and created condensation. Condensation created the rain clouds and started dumping.
Mm-hmm.
It's right in here, so there ain't much more we can do.
Driving into a lake or out of a lake.
It's not necessary.
Neither is your hollering.
There's other ways to get out of the subdivision.
Don't focus on the window. Lol. You be nice.
Defrog. Wow, they're losing that one. That,
Tree.
looks like a banana tree, but I don't know what it was.
It's a century plant.
No. It was going over big time.
That's the way they grow.
Did some flood control over here, but oops. HPD's here.
He lives there.
Oh. The car's going down Edgebrook without splashing. They put too darn many speed bumps around here.
They're not even effective.
So how does that feel compared to Mom's, Brandon?
A lot better.
Hit those with bombs and Brandon's like, oh my butt.
Mm-hmm. The conduit. Flash, flash. Probably this time.
That's what I did the most. I really did not expect it to come up on the windshield when I hit that time.
That was great.
I thought it was kind of funny, but I was not expecting it. was an accident. Accident about the dam. Yeah. That's cute, Brandon. Ever pick up for a second. The windshield wiper. I do. It's hot air, but it's there. Because it's humid outside. Got like 300% humidity right now. My breath say it's going to rain. That poor flag, he says, I'm so heavy with rain I can barely blow. The Texas flag's all wrapped around the pole so it can't blow. Okay, Mr. Clouds, it's time to stop the rain.
Stop?
Yeah, really.
You got a black girl or a blinker?
I'm not sure. He's had it on forever, so I'm guessing it's flashers and his taillight is. They're either covered or they're not working on that side. They're flashers. This ain't bad.
It's worse than I've ever seen. Because you've been sheltered.
Yeah, really. You've been cut off.
Happily so.
See, these are the HOV lights I like. I don't like the ones where you got concrete barriers on both sides of you. And you can only get out when they say you can get out. I'm trying to figure out what the pink and red lights are, or purple and red lights, or whatever. You expect me to read that?
Why don't I just read it to you?
Yeah, because I can't read that tiny print.
The slowest common denominator